Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, there was a small technical problem. That's why the meeting was abruptly ended. So next one. So write the word from the passage that means secretly. What is that?
Steality.
Yes, stealthily. That means secretly.
Ye-
Kite flying is done secretly and without his knowledge. His means is younger elder brother's knowledge. Okay, younger brother started flying kites secretly without his elder brother's knowledge. Okay, now listen read the next passage.
Yes, sir.
Mamayasi.
Listen, my boy. Not even all the books of the world can teach one more than what experience teaches. Look at our mother. She has never been to a school. Our father did not go beyond the fifth class. But can you and I ever hope to reach their wisdom? They may not know what type of ornament America has or how many times Henry the eighth married or how many stars there are in the firmament, but there are other and more important things that they do know. Things one learns from experience alone. If you were to fall ill today, you won't know what to do except to send a telegram to father. But would father in your place send a telegram to anyone? No, he would try to diagnose the disease or call a doctor.
Sir, current admit చేసుకోండి sir.
Who?
Rishika.
Okay, right. Okay, Rishika is also presented. Right. Okay, this is also an important part in the lesson. This passage. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
read the questions and answer them. Books, according to the elder brother, teach better than experience. Say true or false. Up to
Fall.
what class did his father study? Who are mentioned in the passage as an example of wise persons? How do people learn really important things according to the passage? Suppose the son fell ill, what would his father do? Write the word that is used in the passage that means the sky. Okay, again, take a 2 minutes time, read the passage and find the answers of the given questions.
Yes, sir.
This passage is also an important part of the lesson. Lesson and also life also in our life.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you finished reading?
Yes, yes, sir.
Listen, my boy. Listen, my boy. Not even all the books of the world can teach one more than what experience teaches. Here, who is speaking in this
Elder
passage?
brother.
Yes,
Elder brother.
elder brother is the speaker of this passage. Listen, my
Hmm.
boy. My boy means who is?
Younger brother.
Yes,
Younger brother.
young elder brother is speaking and he is addressing his younger one. Not even all the books of the world can teach one more than what experience teaches. So which one is important? Bookish knowledge or experience? According to the elder,
Experience.
yes, experience is more important in our life also. Look at our mother. She has never been to a school. Her father didn't go beyond the fifth class. But can you and I ever hope to reach that wisdom? Okay, wisdom. Wisdom is, what is that wisdom? Vivekam. That comes with experience, not by reading books or all these things. Even though even though you have finished PG or PhD, but experience teaches a lot more than this degrees. Okay, wisdom is always important. They may not know what type of government America has, how many times Henry the Eighth married, or how many stars there are in the firmament, but there are other and more important things that they do know. Okay, they may not. They means who are they here?
Parents.
Yes, parents, their parents, younger and elder brothers' parents. They may not know what type of government America has. They don't know. Their parents don't know. Okay, which government is ruling in America? Okay, whether they are Democrats or okay Republicans. They don't know. How many times Henry the Eighth married? Henry Eighth means which country? England. Henry Eighth is the king of was the king of England. So they don't know how many times he married. That means the parents don't know. And how many stars there are in the firmament, how many stars in the sky, they don't know. But there are other and more important things they do know. But they don't know all these things, but they know most important things. The parents know. More important things that they do know. Things one learns from experience alone. Okay, experience is the best teacher in our life for everyone. Okay, experience is the best teacher. If you were to fall ill today, if you were, you means here, who is you according to the speaker,
Younger brother.
younger brother. So if you were fall ill today, you won't know what to do except to send telegram to father. What do? If you fell ill, you simply write a letter to your parents. Like telegram is that is also a communication, a method of communication when the story was written. Now what we are using, mobiles are there. The advent of technology, now we are using mobiles and charts. So no telegram, no letter nowadays. Okay, but would father in your place send a telegram to anyone? For example, if father is in your place, okay, does he send a telegram? No.
No.
You try to diagnose the disease or call a doctor. You try to find out the disease, and then he takes what is first aid, best treatment, first aid. Then he calls a doctor, like that. Okay, now to answer the questions. Books, according to the elder brother, teach better than experience.
False.
False. Okay, experience is important, not a books. Okay, up to what class did his father study?
Fifth
Fifth
class.
class.
Fifth class. His father stopped his study at fifth class. After fifth, he didn't go beyond. Next, what are mentioned in the passage? Example of wise persons. Who are mentioned?
Example of his parents.
As his parents are the wise persons. Okay, even though they didn't study much. Okay, their mother didn't go to school, but their father stopped at fifth class. But they are the wise persons. They know a lot of things that are more important in life. Okay, they learn from their wisdom because they have wisdom, they have experience. Okay, experience is the best teacher. Next one. How do people learn really important things according to the passage?
By experience.
For experience. Yes, experience is the best teacher. People learn really important things through experience only, not from books. Okay. Next, suppose the son fell ill. What would his father do?
She tried to diagnose the disease or call a doctor.
Yes, he tried to diagnose the disease. He tried to find out the disease. And if it is possible, he can do his first aid treatment. Okay. Home remedies are there nowadays. We are using home remedies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, he calls a doctor. Next, write the word that is used in the passage to mean the sky.
Firmament.
Yes,
Firmament.
that means sky. Okay. So these are the three passages we have seen today.
Yes, sir.
So writing, what is reading comprehension. Next, what is at the end of the textbook, we have some passages. Reading comprehension, about 12 passages are there. Read the passages and answer the questions. That is your assignment. The next
Yes,
session,
sir.
we read some other passages from in the lesson. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The two-way use. It is reading passages as well as what is that? Division of the
Scanning.
lessons.
Hmm.
You are going to write exams in the next month. So
Yes.
what is today? Today is 6th of July and the 8th of August. We are going to write our English exam.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
To
sir.
finish syllabus, just revise. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, sir.
Right. So meet in the next class. First,
Okay, sir.
finish your assignments. So I will give another
Okay,
assignment
sir.
today also. Open Google Classroom and write assignments. And also tell to your friends. Most of you not submit your assignments.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. See
Thank
you in
you,
the
sir.
next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.